Fa fis riamh Rachel Scott gynnwyr son driach alentyn an yn spors. As jai sar fahis and in badminton is Ball-Coise for Ayr og.
Well, it started when I was young, round about the age of 6. I saw my brothers in the garden. They were having a kickabout and I thought I'd join in. Tried it, loved it and never looked back really. I did try other sports at school, so tried badminton. Actually ended up going to China for the badminton championships in 2013, but nothing compared to football. I knew football was the one for me.
Nuair a rain Rachel a hén sin suas, gus fócus a chuir Ball-Coise, cha batig roi trícha clúich for Ayr United, a is a lesach a gemme le clubbichin and in shirach ara jace.
I was 9 when I joined drugging and I moved to Prestwick when I was 11. I was there for a couple of years. That got formed into South Ayrshire Girls. Again, that was a couple of seasons and then they actually get formed into Ayr United. So when I was about 13-14, Ayr United was a set-up, and when I was about 16 or 17 now, we won the league, beating Kelly 5-2, so always a bonus in the Ayrshire derby, so brilliant. Always been at the ladies since I was about 16, never went through the age groups really, so it's been good getting some experience from the older girls.
Sa'n le Ayr United for an bíag an Cormac Rachel a gobar le príomh chóitichin, a ys ewnsach o fo cluicheadair in nasiolaigh ar a spors. Rud ar a bheli bhí an Connie Tangle son.
I have developed quite a bit, but again that's down to the training and the girls that are there in the team. So brilliant setup. So we have it goes from the under 8s right up to the ladies, so it means every girl is getting a chance to progress and have the same opportunities to play football within the academy as well. So we've just got a new coaching staff in fact, and the training's at an even higher standard than it was before, and the girls that are there are a great bunch of girls. Wouldn't have any other teammates on the pitch with me, if I'm honest.
An san taisen me dhearach chuir Rachel 3 fichiad is 3 tuil son a clubbe. A is haidjin bheach get the ha mór an bhuagannaich geri horst an skippe. Nach burin hi a hianu as eunish an skippe go léir.
Well, scoring is one I would say, it's got to be there, so, but definitely being able to hold the ball up as well, let the girls come forward and support me. I'm really strong in the ball I would say, and my speed is what gets me through the defenders to get those goals. Football's a team game, so if it wasn't for the girls, this wouldn't have been possible. Like, you can't do it yourself, so definitely the girls are a great bunch as well. And if it wasn't for the team, then definitely wouldn't be where I am now. Practice, training as well. Always practicing. If you want to be the best, you've got to keep training.
Ga na hemach teilig ge ainmeachadh ag duaisean Ball-Coise in ban Albanach. Far an jaach Rachel ainmeachadh son cluicheadair Ball-Coise bliadhna sin Lìg Ball-Coise is fuainnig hi seo.
Oh, I was speechless. I was actually walking home from work with my partner Jack at the time when I got a message from Claire, who's the head of the Women's Academy, saying I'd been nominated, and honestly I was speechless. I couldn't believe it. Like, I was just thinking, is this even real? Like, someone like me from down here going up for an award is just an achievement in itself to get nominated. I had my mum, my sister, my partner, the management team there. To see my mum getting emotional was emotional for me as well, because she knows how hard I've worked to put the effort and time into this game, because it's something I love, and also to see my family very supportive and encouraging and know that I can make a career out of this is very special to me, and it's probably the best moment of my career so far, winning that. But like I said, to be nominated was an achievement, but to win it is the best moment. So.
Cha nearly toilette le bhí díreach cluicheadair fitch. Ha Rachel cuideach in geall oicrí a chuideachach sin clia Ball-Coise ach go héin. Le bhí coachú Collery Ayr United.
Coach with Ayr, so all about the Ayr then, I say. So I'm a community coach, so I work within the community within Ayr. So that's going into like schools around Ayr. I do disability groups as well, after school programmes, and recently we've started doing a Disney Playmakers, and that one's really important to me because that's getting girls involved in football through storytelling with Disney. And the amount of girls that we've had for the past 2 blocks that we've had are now in at Ayr United, so it's good to see that actually this can help the younger ones get into football at a young age. When I was a kid, I didn't have those opportunities to go out and experience what it was like, so I had to work for myself. So to see that those children are now getting opportunities through their local communities is absolutely amazing. When I was in school, actually, I started coaching in 4th year, and I ended up coaching the S1 to S3 girls football team. After that, I then went to Ayrshire College in Kilmarnock and studied HNC and HND sports coaching. So, and now I'm with Ayr United.
I rasir a fitch, ha Rachel dóchasal son dríoch fatte is sarvachal an sa yeme. I see a gamis go hard.
Hopefully just developing more as a player, like I said, there's some people on my team that have got great experience, so learning from the best is maybe one of the things. Don't know, maybe Scotland squad maybe I'm dreaming too big, but you can never dream too big here.